Hey, my name is Tekka from TEC-IT, and today I'll show you how to design your own branded and GS1 safe QR code with Barcode Studio in under 60 seconds. Let's start. Step 1. Generate your QR code with a GS1 compliant structure. If you already use Digital Link, make sure your URL follows the GS1 format. If not, adjust it before continuing. Step 2. Choose your brand colors and add your logo. Always keep a high contrast, dark foreground and light background. This ensures perfect scan performance on labels and packaging. Add your logo. Place it carefully in the center, but don't cover more than 20 to 30% of the code. Keep the readability zones clean so scanners can still detect the pattern. Step 3. Never touch the quiet zone. This white border around the QR code is essential. If you remove it, many industrial scanners will fail, especially in logistics and production environments. Step 5. Export. Download your QR code. The PNG format delivers high-resolution quality, perfect for digital use and small printed labels. And that's it. You now have a branded, high-performance GS1 safe QR code, ready for packaging, logistics, and Sunrise 2027. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.